Here we are back again. I think this is day 3 over here on this site. And now we're gonna go ahead and dig around this manhole. We actually had to dig around here and then one more hole kind of behind that green truck for 4 more sewers, but we're gonna go ahead and get all the sewers dug and attached while we got the shoring box rented in this other machine. And I've actually got to lower this manhole, so I'm just gonna start digging down. I think the bottom of it is about 9 feet. So I'm gonna dig at probably 10 feet so I can get that box fit in here, expose the main so we can tap the main twice for these 2 houses. It'll be here later, I guess it'd be next year, probably not this year, and try to drop this thing down hopefully 2 feet or so. I think there's a couple of collars in there or extensions they have, and this whole chunk of concrete will come off. With it, we can just set the lid back down on top of that last collar on there without having to maybe replace the whole manhole, but we'll dig around it and find out for sure. And then eventually got to come in here and cut this out so they can put a driveway in, but still waiting on the city to show up to tap the 4 in the other holes. I've already got my machine sitting there with the box in the ground, so now I'm gonna jump in the Caterpillar and do a little bit of digging. So let's get to it. Okay, it looks like we got, not sure what that is, and if it's a riser for, that's what they had that lid over. They had that thing buried, so it's full of dirt. So, yeah, now I may set the camera up here where you guys can see, and we'll just dig this side of it and around that and find out what that thing is. I messed up and didn't have my camera sitting anywhere, but I had to truck this thing around the block to get this other end. They got all this stuff in the way, so maybe next time I'll get it set up, because I'm sure this looked pretty funny going down the street. But we're getting ready to set her in the next hole. Here we go with the start of hole number 4. I got that one put in, waiting on 2 more loads of rock, and then we'll have to move the dirt and dig a ditch going that way for the one riser and dig one going that way for the other riser, and at least get them out of the alley. This one will have 4 more, because there's going to be, it's actually going to be 3 more houses down each side eventually. But so I got to dig basically another one of those holes. Probably, I think that one, the first one was 16, that one's 14, so we're thinking 12, and that one was like 10. So kind of got me a stick laid out here. I'm going to get started, because the property pin, yeah, is right here. So we're going to do 5 or 6 feet on both sides, but I'm going to get started today. That way tomorrow I can finish it up. Maybe they can tap them, and then we can start cleaning this disaster up.